How do you find the domain of a composite function that combines exponential and rational functions? For example, let's take our f of x equal an exponential function and our g of x equal the rational function, which is 1 all over x minus 4. Find the domain of f of g. Solution. First, let's evaluate the composition. F of g will give us f of g of x, meaning anywhere with cx in f, we'll replace it with g of x. And our f is the exponential function, so instead of writing x here, we are going to replace it with g of x, which is 1 all over x minus 4. Now this is the composition. How do we find the domain? We check for restrictions, and one of the restrictions is that 1 all over x minus 4 must be defined, right? It must be defined, and for it to be defined, it implies that our x minus 4 cannot equal 0. If it's not equal 0, the only condition that will make it not to equal 0 is that our x, that's evaluating the value of x here, will not equal 4. Now you don't need to bother so much about this. You can even solve from here. X minus 4 is not equal 0. We solve for x here so that we have that our x not equal, and 4 crosses over the equality sign, it becomes 4. So that is how we got all of this. Listing all of the restrictions, we can now go ahead and write out the domain. So the domain starting with set notation will be that x is a set of all real numbers. X is a set of all real numbers, but x is not equal 4. Okay, this which is also written as x for x not equal 4 is the same thing, whichever way you choose to write it. Now, writing in interval notation, we can have that our domain will be a set of all real numbers starts from negative infinity to 4. Remember, 4 is not included, so we are going to use parentheses, union 4 to positive infinity, and that is all. For the sake of practice, you can try this function where we have that our f of x it's equal the exponential function, and our g of x is equal 1 all over x minus 3. Pause the video now, write this, and post your answers in the comment section.